Did it ever happen to you that you just suddenly woke up after 3 at night, having a strange sensation? If yes, then you must be lucky, since it is a sign that the universe is reaching out to you. The time between 3:20 to 3:40 at morning is the best time to connect with higher frequencies of the universe and is called the Brahma Muhurta, or the time of Brahma. But what is the science behind this specific time of Brahma? Let's find it out. Brahma Muhurta is the period or Muhurta that is 96 minutes before the sun rises. And the period lasts for 48 minutes. According to Hinduism, this is the most auspicious time to start working on any new projects or to practice meditation and spiritual stuff. According to science, the human body follows a rhythm or cycle of 24 hours called circadian rhythm. So, during Brahma Muhurta, the body completes the cycle and reboot, and switches back to new biological cycle every day. The circadian rhythm is generally associated with the outside environment, that is, the light temperature and redox cycle. This is so, as the hypothalamus of our brain generally follows the sun's clock. The hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle is very much influenced by the hypothalamus, which is in turn regulated by the light. The melatonin levels rises in evening after the sun sets, and it puts us to a state of quiet wakefulness that helps promote sleep. Now, this melatonin level starts decreasing at second half of night, and this gets the body ready to wake up. Melatonin is also known as the mood stabilizer. That means it helps to bring ourselves at ease for a long time. And when we are at ease, we are not a fluctuation, and our concentration level increases for higher spiritual sadhana. Also, there is another fact that, during Brahma Muhurta, some elements like ozone stimulates the brain, and the endomorphin concentration is at peak, which then energizes the brain, and stabilizes the mind. So, if we perform any mental activity, at this moment, it will take less efforts than any other time of the day. With this enhancement of intellectual property, other various compatible biological events that nurtures the neurons and every vital organs of the body also takes place in positive way. So, if someone synchronizes their lifestyle with this biological clock, then their health will be preserved against various disorders. According to the International Journal of Yoga and Allied Science, during the pre-dawn period, there is a newborn oxygen availability in the atmosphere. This nascent oxygen readily combines with hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin balances our blood pH levels, which makes the immunity strong and increases the energy levels of the body. This is the reason why exercises and yoga performed at this time of the day keeps the body healthy. However, there are few stuffs that needs to be avoided during the time of Brahma. Like, though meditation or simple mindful practices are helpful, one should never perform anything that requires too much mental work, as this may lead to reduction of one's lifespan. Also, eating during early morning hours, before sunrise, causes illness. According to Ayurvedic texts, called Ashtanga Hridaya, only persons not having any diseases can wake up during Brahma Muhurta to avail the benefits. With this, the texts also advises pregnant women and children not to follow this early morning routine. Even those aged people, who generally wakes up late, should never make a drastic change to their sleeping patterns. Also, people with digestive issues should avoid waking up too early if they had late dinner, as it may worsen the case. But, other than this, anyone can start following the schedule of waking at Brahma Muhurta. Especially those who are looking for dramatic spiritual progress, then the best time for it is just before sunrise. And the best part is, once our biology adjusts itself to the planet's biology, then waking up so early would be a natural process.